Hi, hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Balakrishna Quizza. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And this is a video which is created for children to show them how to use the Zoom application for online classes. We'll do this video in two parts. Part 1, we'll be discussing about how to install Zoom application on your mobile. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you're going to do is take your mobile. If you're an Android user, go to Play Store, or if you are an iOS user or an iPhone user, go to App Store. So here I'm using Play Store as I'm using the Android phone. First click on the Play Store, then what you have to do is go to search. In the search bar you have to type in Zoom Cloud Meeting App. I repeat, Zoom Cloud Meeting App, and just click on install. So the moment installation starts, based on your internet speed, the application will be installed on your phone. Just wait for a moment. Now you can see it is showing the status as installing. So once the Zoom Cloud Meeting app is successfully installed, here it will show us open. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Now you can see the Zoom Cloud Meeting app is successfully installed and now it is asking us to open. So it means once you go to the main screen, here you can see the Zoom app installed successfully. You see here, this is the Zoom app application icon. So this is the first part, how to install the Zoom application on your mobile. As we have completed the part 1, which says how to install the Zoom application, now we will be stepping into part 2, where we will be understanding how this Zoom application will help us in online classes, or how to log in into the Zoom application. As a student, as I said, my name is Ramu and I am from class 6 and I am from Pungalur branch. This is just an example. So as a student, I will be there in my WhatsApp group. So here it says Pungalur branch class 6. So now I click on that. My teacher will send me an invitation like this. Invitation in the sense which comes with meeting ID. You can see 772 7279 8844. This is the meeting ID. So now what I need to do is, if I need to join the meeting, here is the link, HTTPS. This is the link. Just click on the link. The moment you click on the link, your phone will ask you to open with. Now select Zoom. The moment you click on Zoom, automatically you'll be prompted to enter your name. Here, please remember, be very careful. As I said, my name is Ramu and I am from class 6 and I am from Pungalur branch. So first I'll mention PGR. That means Pungalur branch. And my name is RAMU, Ramu, and I am from class 6. So I just mentioned my name in this format. So every student has to mention in the same way. Say for example, if you are from B Kottakotta, BKK, student name, space, class, and just click on OK. The moment you click on OK, if the teacher has already activated the meeting, then automatically you'll be there in the meeting very easily. So now it is asking, please allow Zoom access permissions. Got it? Allow, and you can see a teacher who is in front of you. If you want to start your video, then just click on start video and just click on allow. Now your video will also be visible to the teacher. Please see that always audio and video should be switched on. Don't switch it off. Now when the online class is going on, you can listen to the class very clearly. I hope this is easier to understand, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment so that we'll be able to get back to you. Or if you have any doubts regarding this video, speak to your concerned teacher so that they'll be able to help you out in completing your online class successfully. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share the video with the children so that everyone will get to know how to use Zoom online application for online classes. And this is your Balakrishna Quizza signing off. Thank you.